Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Walgreens how to change direct deposit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change direct deposit, what you need to do is log into your Walgreens Workday portal. To do it, head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar you can type in Walgreens Employee Login or simply Walgreens Workday portal. Then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you, and once you're inside, be sure to be logged in to your Walgreens Workday account. Then once you're inside, from your dashboard, navigate to the Pay section, and inside Pay, select Payment Elections or Bank Accounts or Direct Deposit. Then from there, select your current bank accounts to update account information, or tap on Add to enter a new account. Then you will need your banking routing number, bank account number, and account type from checkings or savings. If you want, you can split your paycheck across multiple accounts as well. And all you gotta do now is review all the details, confirm your entries, and submit. Workday will usually display a confirmation, and note that changes may take 1 to 2 pay cycles to take effect. And for help, contact Walgreens HR or payroll at 1-866-967-5492. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.